Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your mouse is moving itself in Windows 11. So first you need to open the run command by pressing Windows plus R. Here type main.cpl and click on OK or enter. It will open this window, which is mouse properties. Here you will need to go to pointer options. So here under visibility you will see hide pointer while typing. Uncheck that and click on apply and OK. So after that, if your problem has not been fixed, so again go to the same command, and here in pointer options again you will see this option, select a pointer speed under motion. So you will need to adjust this setting at the middle, not too fast, not too slow, just keep it in the middle and click on apply and OK. And after that your problem should be fixed. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.